Yo, Madeline, ¿y esto? Ella está cómoda. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jess and welcome back to my channel. It is currently 8:45 in the morning. That's why I look like this. I just woke up. But today I'm going to be taking you guys with me to the beach. I'm going with my friends today. And yeah, it's just gonna be a fun day. So I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna wait for my best friend and my cousin to be ready so that they can meet me here, and then we're gonna go pick up some stuff. And yeah, this is gonna be fun. Let's get into it. Oh, the sun. I look kind of crazy, but it don't matter. We're gonna go pick up the sandwiches right now. I haven't been to the beach in 2 years. So today is gonna be a fun day. It's starting off real good, real easy. Let's hope it continues. Okay guys, so right now we're in the elevator. We have like a million gajillion bags.
Maddie put her drink inside like my shirt. Yeah.
So now we're going downstairs and we're gonna wait for the guys and everyone to come pick us up, and then we're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. Hey, we're going to the beach. Hey, say hi to the camera and Jaden.
Let me see. Let me see.
Oh, this is
Alright.
your girl Hannah. I got you. And Najali. Can you see her? Hey, Najali. Jaden. Our DJ. Y el que we trust in our lives with him. Jaden. Dile hola a la cámara. We on our way. Go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. Pew pew pew. Hey guys, so we're at the beach. It's 3 o'clock right now and we almost got drowned by the waves. It's been a crazy adventure. And honestly, I think today is gonna be more of a montage because we're not really doing a lot. So
Just talking, enjoying the wave, getting in the water,
enjoying our company because we got some great company right now. Nos fuimos lejos, lejos.
Alright, ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump!
Yo, that's my.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed our little montage of the beach. It wasn't a lot because honestly, when you're with great people, like all of us. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed our little trying to do the outro. Y'all been trying to do this for like the last 5 minutes.
Please, here we come!
Wendy's, here we come because we're still hungry. The fofofo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys want me to do more of these kinds of videos. Thank you, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.
oh my god, this is my song.